Hey, welcome in this new video. We are day 2 of the week 2 of documenting my journey every day with videos. So today I will do what I should have done yesterday, which is to tell what's my goal for this week. So what my goal for this week, what I have planned to do, and how I will achieve that goal. So I should have done it yesterday, but yesterday I told you about what happened this weekend and the lesson I learned, so I will just do it today. So what are my goals for this week? They are pretty simple. We are the last week of November, and on Friday there is the Black Friday. So my goal is to prepare my app for the Black Friday. So I already have a Black Friday offer inside the application, but my goal is to finish the new version of the application. I got a new design, so I have to redesign the whole application, rebrand kind of the new application. So for example, this is the old logo of the application, and this is the new logo of the application. Also same, this is the old home screen and this is the new home screen. So yeah, I have to do all of that. I'm almost done. My goal was to finish this last weekend, but I did not really work. So my goal would be to finish this today, because I'm a little bit afraid that as there is a lot of change, even if it's just visual, but a lot of change inside the application, the review from Apple will take time. So my goal is to send this to review today, so hopefully it will be published tomorrow. So I still have 2 to 3 days to market for the Black Friday, and even though I think I will keep the offer for like possible Monday too, so all weekend. So yeah, that's my goal for this week. Also my goal for this month, which kind of end at the end of the week, like middle next week, is to reach 100 in revenue, which is not that much, but that's the goal I fixed myself for this month, because last month I did $50 in revenue, and my goal is to reach 100 in revenue. So far I'm close to like 50 in revenue, and the Black Friday offer is literally just like 50% off the yearly plan, and the yearly plan is usually like 100, so it means like it's $50 for the yearly subscription. Technically I just need one person that takes that offer to reach my goal, so hopefully the more the better. But yeah, I just start with small goals. If I can reach that this week, it will be awesome. If I reach more, it will be even better. But yeah, that's my goal for this week. So how I will achieve that, I will tell you more about this like tomorrow. For today, I will just try to finish as fast as possible the redesign of the application and publish it to Apple. Then I will tell you more tomorrow about what I plan to do to kind of like market the application for the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday and all that stuff. That's all for today. We are back on track, kind of. I hope you appreciate this. If you have any question, you can just put them in the comments, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Until then, peace.